Hello friends, welcome to my channel Education. Please like, share, subscribe this video. Also press the bell icon due to which you will get notification of my new video. Let's start today's part. In today's session, we are going to study 10th class geography. That is second lesson of geography, location and extent. This lesson we are going to study in today's session. 10th class Maharashtra Board English Medium. On the first page of this lesson, here one activity is given. Here two flags of some countries have been shown and we have to identify which countries those flags are. Clues are also given below the flag. Let's read the clues first. First flag clue C. The second largest populated country in the world, then famous for spices in world, and cricket is very popular sport here. So these are the clues for the first, here we can say, flag. So this is our India. Okay, this is an Indian flag. Second C clues are famous for samba dance, coffee pot of the world, and football is very popular sport here. This is Brazil. Okay, Brazil, where samba dance is popular, coffee pot means coffee is grown very in large amount, and football is very famous there. Let's see the next part. Next part is we are going to take information about country India. Let's start this part. Name of the country, Republic of India. Name of the capital, New Delhi. Location, extent and boundaries. India is located in the northern and eastern hemispheres of the earth. It is located in the southern part of the Asian continent. With the help of figure 2.1, find the extent of mainland India. Fill in the degrees values in the blank spaces. Okay, they have asked the longitudinal and latitudinal extent of India. I'll tell you. 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude, and between 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east longitudes. Okay, Indira Point is the southernmost tip of India. It is located on 6 degree 45 minute north parallel. Observe figure 2.1. Identify the countries and water bodies around India and complete the table in your notebook. Now we are going to study here. See, name of the country is Republic of India. Capital of India is New Delhi. Okay. Now where the India is located? See, India is mainly located in northern and eastern hemisphere of the earth, and in Asian continent it is in southern hemisphere. Okay. Its latitudinal extent is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. Its longitudinal extent is 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. Okay, Indira Point is the southernmost part of the India, which is located in 6 degree 45 minute north parallel. Okay, this was the information about the India, you can say. Okay. In map given below, you can see India, its neighboring countries, its neighboring we can say oceans and all those things. Okay, its states. Okay, you can just study that map. Thank you. Then we will go through further part. Let's see the next part. Name of the country, Federative Republic of Brazil. Name of capital, Brasilia. Location, extent and boundaries. Some part of Brazil lies in the northern hemisphere, while most of it lies in the southern hemisphere. Also, it lies in the western hemisphere in the northern part of the South American continent. With the help of figure 2.2, find the extent of the mainland Brazil. Fill in the degree values in blank spaces. 5 degree 15 minute north. So I am telling you the answers directly. 5 degree 15 minute north to 33 degree 45 minute south latitudes, and between to 34 degree 45 minute west to 73 degree 48 minute west longitude. Okay, So in this paragraph we studied name of the country, that is Federative Republic of Brazil. Capital of this particular country is Brasilia. Okay, location, where it locates, see, it lies in the northern hemisphere while most of it lies in the southern hemisphere. Okay, most of it lies in the south, but some part is also lies in north. Also it lies in the western hemisphere in the north part of South American continent. So it also lies in the western hemisphere in continent of South America, in northern part of that. Okay, so Brazil is located in the South American continent. Okay, its latitudinal extent is 5 degree 15 minute north to 33 degree 45 minutes south, and longitudinal extent is 34 degree 45 minute west to 73 degree 48 minute west. Okay, then we are going to study the historical background of both the countries. Let's start this part, further part. Now we will see historical background of India and Brazil. First we will study historical background of India. See, India was under the British rule for 1.5 century, that is 150 years. Okay, India got independence in year 1947, date is 15 August, isn't it? Despite facing several problems like 3 wars, famine situations, many problems faced by India, but India is trying to develop. It is an developing major developing country of the world. India is also considered as a global market too. Now due to more work, India's development has based up, isn't it? The proportion of youth in India's population is more. Okay, young people are more in India, so it forms a major part of working population, isn't it? So India is also known as young country, or it is looked upon as a young country. Okay, then we will go through historical background of Brazil. See, more than 3 centuries, 300 years more than, Portuguese rule was on Brazil. Brazil got independence from Portuguese in 7th September 1822. This year it got a independence from Portuguese. But from 1930 to 1985, populist military government governed Brazil. Okay, governed the Brazil. So in after starting of 20 sorry at starting of 20th century, what happened ki Brazil started to develop its economical, we can say, facilities, or it started to develop its economy, and it started to overcome financial difficulties, okay, in the late of 20th century. So Brazil is also growing well, and it is a contributor to economic growth of the world, and its important market is a future. Okay, these were the historical background of India and historical background of Brazil. Now, do you know, we celebrate our Independence Day on August 15, whereas Brazil celebrates her Independence Day on September 7. India has federal parliamentary republic type of government, whereas Brazil has federal presidential republic type of government. The name Brazil comes from pau Brazil, a local wooded tree. Okay. Thanks friends for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe this video. Also press the bell icon, due to which you will get notification of my new video. Thank you.